Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is a true Muslim. I am uploading this essay at the request of Barbie Zarish. Let's get started. A person who believes Islam as his religion is called a Muslim. A true Muslim has firm belief in God and his last prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is his faith that God is the creator of everything in the universe. He believes that he is aware of his doings and actions. He knows that he will be answerable for his deeds and actions. Therefore, he fears only from God and does not do anything wrong. It is his belief that God is present everywhere and sees everything. He spends his life according to the teaching of Islam. He does not let his desires to rule over him. He always bows his head before God and his prophet, peace be upon him, in all the matters of his life. He offers prayers regularly, keeps fast, gives zakat, and performs Hajj. He believes in the day of judgment and the life hereafter. A good Muslim seeks knowledge and acts upon it. He is clean and pure in thoughts and deeds. He does his duty honestly. He does not tell a lie. He does not deceive others. He takes great care of the rights of his fellow beings. A true Muslim is always respectful to the elder and very kind to the younger. He is not noisy or violent showy. He speaks gently and politely. He is always correct in his behavior. He is sincere, true, and kind at heart. Consideration for the others is the main aim of his life. He acts what he says. There is no difference between his actions and preaching. He produces good results in the society. He becomes very popular with others. All the people respect him and he leads a very honorable life. If you like this video, please hit the like button and stay connected for more videos. Thank you.